my friends! How is it going? I hope you're doing well. Our lesson for today will be about
Food. Part 3. Fish and Seafood. Sardine. Sardine. Trout. Trout. Salmon. Salmon. Tuna. Tuna. Eel. Eel. Catfish. Catfish. Caviar. Caviar. Squid. Squid. Lobster. Lobster. Crab. Crab. Shrimp. Shrimp. Scallop. Scallop. Oyster. Oyster. Mussels. Mussels.
That's all for today. I hope you found this lesson useful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next lesson. Bye!